Dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. Which one is better? Long story short, affiliate marketing is better, but I'm actually going to read all this through and give you my opinion on it. I've never tried neither of these things, so I'm just kidding, of course. I'm just gonna tell you which is better based on the stats and the facts you have in front of your screen. So let's just go into them. First things first, dropshipping. You know, there's no need to store and inventory ship products, just make profits on arbitrage. But the affiliate marketing is refers customers to earn commissions. So if you don't know what these things are, dropshipping basically, you set up a store to sell a digital product or a real product to customers, and you don't actually have to own the product. Once they purchase it, you go ahead and purchase it again, and you take a small margin. It might be big, I don't know. But affiliate marketing works in a way: you find a product that you want to go with, send that to your customers, and if they buy, you earn a small commission. Now, it could be the margin on the dropshipping is much higher than affiliate marketing, or it could be the other way around. It really doesn't matter. It's really up to you to decide when you're making a dropshipping or affiliate marketing business. Now, the business model, I've explained to you everything, how it works, and the ease of use. Let's see, you're responsible for the customer support. That is the number one thing. So once someone purchases something, you have to, I mean, there's probably automated systems, but this is how it sounds like. You have to actually go and purchase that product. While affiliate marketing, shipping and returns and everything, refunds are all handled within a scope of the company that's selling the product initially. So all you do is spread out the link and you don't do anything apart from that. If someone buys it, good, you earn money. So that's literally your job as affiliate marketer, is basically sign up, for example, Temu. We have a lot of videos on our channel. You should probably check them out. But what you do is you basically sign up for Temu, affiliate marketing program. And what you do is get links and just sell them. That's it. While on dropshipping, you might sign up for Shopify, for example, or WooCommerce, and then just basically go through the hassle of setting up the store, picking up the right theme, picking up the right product. Even, I mean, most of these dropshippers start with one product and then scale up as they're going and as their business is getting bigger and bigger. But in my opinion, it's just easier to go with affiliate marketing because all you do is set up a one-time store and that's it. You don't have to worry about it at all, ever. So once you go with that, it's probably like a much better and easier way to earn. I'll call it lazy, but it is what it is, though. Now, commissions, you basically name your price on dropshipping. That is true. Once you set up a price for dropshipping, you'll earn that margin. For example, the original product costs $10 and you're selling that for $20. You're earning $10 for that without shipping and whatever. You're basically making $10 for that. While affiliate marketing, you can see it on our channel that we posted. We can see that there's a different picture. For example, a product that costs €5 or $5, you earn a buck on it, or not even that, maybe like half a dollar. So that really sucks, and you cannot control how much you earn. While in dropshipping, you can definitely have control of that. Again, it's really up to you to make a decision, but given the fact that you don't actually have to go through the hassle of setting up everything, and you just send that link. For example, you have an agency or you're someone popular online, you could basically spread out the products like that. You don't even need to actually like make an account on TikTok and post stuff, which you would probably do when you're starting up your dropshipping business. Now, the control is another thing. The dropshipping definitely takes a win here. You have a full control of dropshipping offers available to you, while you don't really have any offers when you're doing affiliate marketing. As well as customer data. You have all of the customer data. For example, you have your emails and everything you might need to launch a second business or launch something else, and send them out an email saying, hey, maybe you should take a look at this product or something. Well, you basically don't deal with customers when affiliate marketing. You just give them the link, which is basically in and on its own a good thing, but it might be a bad thing. Overall, your decision is to make here is what's better for you. And in my opinion, affiliate marketing is easier. What's better is probably dropshipping. You can earn more money, but money is not the only factor. If you take out the work that you put in to do dropshipping, the money becomes one thing, while in affiliate marketing, you don't do anything. You just basically spread out the link and earn money from it. And you don't actually have to build a brand. See, the problem with it, for example, you're selling this cup that's, for example, stirring itself automatically. You basically have to build that brand, and people need to gain trust in you. While in affiliate marketing, they already know what's Temu, and they already have trust in that. So they're probably going to be more inclined to buy something, whether they're probably not inclined to buy something from a random stirringcup.com. Like, it's just not going to happen that easily. So based on the facts that we have stated in this video, you make a decision. But if you ask me, I'm going to say that the best thing for you and the best thing for me is